Welcome to today's comprehensive look at revolutionary machinery that's transforming agriculture and construction. I'm excited to walk you through these incredible innovations that are setting new industry standards. The game-changing Speedrower Plus series. Let's begin with a true marvel of modern farming, the Speedrower Plus series. This isn't just another windrower, it's a testament to agricultural evolution. Imagine commanding a machine that effortlessly glides through fields at 20 miles per hour, then smoothly transitions to highway speeds of 30 miles per hour. At its heart lies the sophisticated Sensi-Drive drive-by-wire control system, offering unprecedented precision. The cockpit experience. Nothing short of exceptional. Operators enjoy complete control through a crystal-clear 10.4-inch IntelliView 4-color touchscreen display. With power options ranging from 150 to 250 horsepower, this machine delivers the muscle you need while maintaining finesse through its advanced PLM technology. The Comfort Ride Cab suspension system, with its innovative 4-point design, ensures operators stay fresh during those long harvesting days. K3500, revolutionizing coffee production. Coffee farmers, your dreams of perfect harvesting have materialized in the K3500. This masterpiece of engineering represents a quantum leap in coffee harvesting technology. Its sophisticated cleaning system ensures your coffee beans receive the gentle care they deserve, while the simultaneous discharge system maximizes efficiency without compromising quality. The versatile Ortomec 9000 Foglia. In the realm of leafy vegetable harvesting, the Ortomec 9000 Foglia stands unmatched. Its stainless steel cutting system adapts to various height requirements, while the band blade technology ensures clean, precise cuts every time. The hydraulic conveyor belt system, with its variable speed control, maintains gentle product handling. Food safety, absolutely covered with its food-grade certified conveyor belt and comprehensive cleaning system. Road printer, the future of paving. Let's shift gears to construction with the revolutionary road printer. This remarkable machine is redefining how we approach block paving. With its ability to handle widths from 1 to 6 meters, it brings unprecedented versatility to any projects. The Eco version, powered by cutting-edge battery technology, operates for an entire week on a single charge. That's sustainability meeting efficiency head-on. Unimog U530. Power meets versatility. When Mercedes-Benz creates an implement carrier, they don't hold back. The Unimog U530 represents the pinnacle of versatility and power. Boasting 300 horsepower and impressive 16.5-ton gross vehicle weight, it handles the toughest tasks while maintaining environmental consciousness. The 3,900 millimeters wheelbase ensures stability across various applications. Zern Z110. Innovation in drainage. The Zern Z110 might seem modest compared to our larger machines, but its impact on green roof technology is profound. This 15-inch diameter main green roof drain features a meticulously designed perforated screen assembly and user-friendly removable cover lift handle. Whether you're working with extensive or intensive green roof applications, this system delivers reliable performance. Karima Tomato Harvester. Precision in action, tomato farmers. Here's your champion. This 2-row harvester combines innovative design with practical functionality. Its advanced selection system ensures only the finest tomatoes make it to market, while the improved hydraulic system maintains gentle handling throughout the process. The clever 3.3-meter transport width makes relocation between fields a breeze. Last but not least, BCS Reaper Binder. Versatility incarnate, completing our showcase, is the remarkable BCS Reaper Binder. With its impressive 140 centimeters cutting width, this machine handles everything from traditional grains to delicate herbs with equal precision. The power-safe hydraulic clutch ensures smooth operation, while 4 forward speeds and 1 reverse gear provide optimal control in any condition. Whether you're harvesting grains, sesame, or lavender, this machine adapts to your needs. These machines represent more than just technological advancement. They embody the future of agricultural and construction efficiency. Each has been designed with the end user in mind, combining power, precision, and practicality in ways that were once thought impossible. Remember, the right machinery isn't just about getting the job done. It's about getting it done better, faster, and more efficiently than ever before. Thanks for tuning into Tech Trends Central. If this review sparked your tech curiosity, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay connected with the latest trends and innovations. Have a gadget or gear in mind? Share it in the comments, and I'll get it on the radar. Until next time, stay ahead of the curve and keep riding the tech wave with Tech Trends Central.